Hello people, today we will be solving LeetCode equation 1043, that is partition array for maximum sum. And in this we will be given an integer array. Oh wow, what a naming convention. And we have to partition the array into subarrays of length at most k. And after partitioning, each subarray has the values changed to become the maximum value of that subarray. Okay, and we have to return the largest sum of the given array after partitioning and test the cases against. Okay, test cases are generated so that it fits the integer range. And for example, in this first array we are given 1, 15, 7, 9, 2, 5, 10, and we can pick up a subarray of at most size k. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be changing replacing these 3 with 15, so that will sum up to 45. And then we'll be replacing these 3 with 10, so that will sum up to 45 plus 30, that is 75. And then we'll be just keeping this 9 as it is so as to get the maximum sum, so it will return as 84. Okay, similarly in this what we can do is we can fill up to this array this with 7s, then all these subarrays can be filled with 9. Okay, and at the end if we'll do this, so for 28 and 28 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 into 9 54, that sums up to 82, and 82 plus 1, that will sum up to 83. Okay, so this is a dynamic programming question, as we have to check the all possible combinations. So if you'll try to solve it with greedy, it will not give you a proper solution, because there will be many cases, not even might, that you'll be messing up. And so now let's start with solving the question. And okay, just a second. Okay, so now let's have a DP array. Okay, and let's just have a n, because and n is equal to arr dot length, and let's have a DP array of size new and n plus 1, and this DP will already be filled with 0. So let's have a for loop, that for int I equal to we'll be traversing from the back, so let's call it start equal to n minus 1, while my start is greater than or equal to 0, start minus minus, and let's say I'm having my current maximum as 0. Okay, if current max is equal to 0, and we can see the constraints that there will be the value of array will lie between 0 to 10 to the power 9. Okay, so we don't have to worry about negative integers. And then what we can do, let's have an end variable that will be equal to minimum of n and start plus k to find the minimum element which is present in that particular range. Okay, so basically not in that particular range, but for example, to pick up the subarray, because we need to traverse in that subarray, and there might be a case where we'll be exceeding this, so we have to stay in the limits. Okay, so now let's have a for int I equal to start, and then I will be less than or less than end I plus plus, and then we'll be setting the current max will be equal to maximum of current max and array I. Okay, and in the DP array we'll be storing that DP start will be equal to maximum of DP start comma DP I plus 1 plus my current maximum into I minus start plus 1. So this will be giving us all the possible values which we'll be having for the maximum, and at the end we'll be returning DP 0. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, comma, sorry. Now let's run it. And it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.